Actually do have a Fox here today. You don't want to mess up my paint. We got Andrew here from Brutal Vlogs. What'd you do to my car, Andrew? Some of the cement fell off right there. Kayla, if you sign it, I'll give you half, man. It's gonna be a terrible vlog today, guys. I'm late and this isn't helping. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt and we are headed out to Fox Mustang Restoration. In case you missed one of the previous uploads, they actually have a parts swap there once a month. They call it Second Saturday Swap. And it's more than just a swap, it's actually a hangout too. A lot of FoxBodies come out and just almost like a mini car show, cars and coffee type thing, although I don't think there's any coffee or donuts there. But yeah, just kind of a hangout, and that's where we're headed today. I am running a little bit late as usual. Actually, there was some ice on the car. And yep, that's not a FoxBody I'm scraping the ice off of, that's the Jetta. So I have two FoxBodies, both of them are in need of repair right now. And so I don't have a Fox to bring to the meet. Well, actually I kind of do. My SSP is there. That's where we're headed. I think it's gonna be crazy over there. Charlotte really has an awesome FoxBody community, and I think you guys are gonna see that today. All right, there's Bojangles over there. We just kind of left the pre-meet and getting ready to head over there. In fact, I've got a FoxBody behind me already. I don't know if you can see him back there. But I guess it was a pre-meet. We just had some breakfast, some guys, you know, that are going over there. But yeah, heading to Fox Resto right now and gonna try to catch some of the cars coming in. Because we just got here.
Is it me or is Doug's paint falling off?
Doug, yeah. Hey, Doug.
Your paint's falling off.
Look, you got some of your primer fell off down here.
Car's melted.
Look at that.
Son of bitches. Whose idea was it?
In case you don't know, Doug has a very nice gray colored FoxBody. I don't know what the color is. I know it's not Nardo. I know it's not Leadfoot. I know it's not Primer or Clear. I don't really know what it is, but it's none of those. So.
None of those.
What is the actual color, Doug?
Based off of Toyota color.
Does he always say based off of? Does it have a name?
A Toyota cement color, but
I don't even know how to say that. Cement.
Cement. Yeah.
Cement.
But it's
cement. I got you.
Yeah, it's actually
all right.
not.
I finally. It was the accent. It's cement. I got you. All right. All right.
Yeah.
This is cement color.
Yep.
Some of the cement fell off right there.
Right. It did. And paint actually is kind of.
Oh, it's got my philosophy. What's up, man?
Hey, what's up? See you.
Yep.
Good, how are you?
Yep. Got Harley Davidson motorcycles. No, it's Brent Hicks. What's up? What's up? Hicks House Videos.
Oh man.
Grinding.
Yes. Out here in the cold.
Yep. And then there's been to the destroyer over there with a dog. So, and Harris ran away, but oh no, there he is. This is gonna be a terrible vlog today, guys. All right. What's her name, Ben?
Sky.
Sky. She barked at me before. How's it going, Sky? How's it going? How's it going?
She's super skittish. Come here.
We like dogs on here, Sky. Come here. I don't know if Icarus is here.
Sit.
And then Matt's finally got his 86 out.
Finally.
It's actually running. How late were you up last night, Matt? Oh, I can't show back in there. It's messy. He doesn't like that.
I was home by 10 last night. So
Oh, that's an early night for you then. All right, we're waiting on the wing. Oh, is this the one port?
that's the coupe convertible new short center car.
Okay.
The hatch one I just started the body work on 2 nights ago.
Okay. So that's kind of, when you get that, I want to see that, but dude, I love these wheels, man. Did you, I forgot, did you 5-lug swap this yourself or?
It was 5-lug swapped already.
Okay.
I took and swapped it from the regular GT discs to...
Sinis built did these, right?
Yep.
Yeah, look at
And
that.
Tom did an awesome job with
That is awesome. Very nice. Got the blacked out 5.0 badges. So guys, I actually do have a Fox here today, but as you probably know if you're watching the channel, I didn't drive it here. It just stays here permanently. It's its new home. So yeah, there's mine right there.
Looks like a solid little car.
It's straight, you know. It's original FHP, so yeah, let's see how this would actually work. Look, I mean, that's like,
You got the Ford emblem on it.
that's a pretty good fit. What do you guys think? Should we throw one of these on here?
Right now you've got the Ford emblem pushing out this side.
Okay, yeah, I see that. Yeah, so knock that off. Now, be careful, Matt. You don't want to mess up my paint. I mean, I got high quality here. High quality paint on this thing. There you go. Yeah, stay right. Hold it right there, Doug.
Got it.
All right. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Do you want to see one of these on the car? I think it's pretty cool.
So this is the stitch weld seam. It's got 1-inch stitches across the back of it.
Yeah.
I have the beadless version, which is welded and then gone over with a epoxy. So it's a clean, smooth look like on the back of Harris's car.
Okay. So we got Andrew here from Brutal Vlogs, and this door is awesome. See if you can open it up. Yeah, try one hand. All right, let's listen. Oh, don't that sound good? What'd you do to my car, Andrew?
But that's custom.
That's custom, yeah.
Hey,
you can't get that anywhere.
Mind if I set this ring on top of it?
Dude, don't you mess up. Yeah, no.
What
Wait,
if I
hold
just
on.
set it right there?
Set it right there.
Yeah, that's the cup holder. You didn't want some of it. Oh, so he might actually want to drink it. Yeah, pop the hood on that thing.
Is it hitting the fender?
It needs some new door pins. Also,
Yeah, it
if you
hits the
kind of
fender
look
at
at
the
the
bottom.
door, it's a little warped anyway.
Yeah.
So,
It's
Again,
scraped something.
that's just part of the custom.
yeah. I think I'm going to get a new
It's
door.
scraping right there.
Yeah.
I think it just might need
Yeah, if you lift it up, it does
Lift
fine.
the button,
Yeah,
Oh,
then
yeah,
it,
just
yeah,
hit
yeah. So,
You want to pop the hood
yeah,
on?
pop the hood on it.
Already popped.
Oh, it is, isn't it? Should I shut it so you can repop it? No, I'm just kidding.
For dramatic effect.
There we go. Yeah,
Cleaner than expected under here.
it's pretty straight.
I didn't remember.
It's I got the X pipe off. I hit my head when I took it off.
Nice.
It's in my intro now. It's actually trick flow heads though, a trick flow stage 1 cam. This intake's got to go, but compression test came out good. Did a compression test on it. Yep. So it should be a little fun car.
So what are you going to do now that you took your X-pipe off?
Well, our plan is to take the whole motor out. So that was the only step I got done.
Gotcha.
All I got out was that X pipe.
What kind of heads are on?
They're trick flow something. I mean, the trick flow, I don't know what, I tried to read it, I can't tell. Oh, you can see the little trick flow thing right there.
Yeah. Go with that hook.
So,
I don't know what kind of
but since you do all the work on Brutal's channel,
I do all the work. Do all the work. Do all the work.
you can just get this motor out like in 5 seconds today, probably, right?
Yeah, I can do it like half a video.
All right. So we're gonna go see Matt and see if we can get everybody out there and get access to his lift so we can pull the motor out today. All right, so there are a lot of Fox bodies here now, a lot of parts being sold. I'm just gonna kind of give you guys a quick rundown of what's here. Got cars out here. There we got the 3 cars from Fox Resto. We've got Peaches. We've got Matt's 85, which I don't think has a name yet. It's 85 T-top. And I can't believe this car is out here right now. This is Jen's car as well. It's called Sparkles, and I have never seen this car run, guys. And Sparkles is actually out here outside. Matt said he got it running today. Just got a bug in it to get this car going. Jen, you got Sparkles going. Sparkle Fox. All right. I've been corrected, Sparkle Fox, but that's awesome to see this car out here. Cannot believe it. Right here by Matt's T-top. Got a little friend there. So what's going on today? It's the first time I've been here, so.
Okay, well, welcome.
Thank you.
So this is our second Saturday swap, and we started them in December, and so this is our third one. The first one that it's not raining, thankfully.
That's nice.
Yeah, it is very nice. And a little chilly, but other than that, no complaints. We got more Foxes here today because of that.
And so are you're gonna have these every single month, or?
Yeah, so this is something that we at least are trying out for 2020, and we're gonna do them every month, and schedule permitting. So there won't be one in May because we have the Chocolate Fox in
Chocolate Fox? I've never heard of that one. Just kidding. Yes, Chocolate Fox in May.
Chocolate Fox in Hershey,
Yep.
Pennsylvania. So that is the second weekend in May. So we won't be here for that. And we've also canceled the one for October, which is Foxtoberfest. You'll get, you know,
May have heard of that.
a great Fox swap opportunity at that show.
Yeah.
But other than that, yeah, every second Saturday of the month we have these swap meets.
To hang out, but it's also inside is where all the parts are, in case everybody's wondering.
Right, so because it's colder, people have chosen to be inside, which is great.
As the weather warms up, though, you might bring it out here, right?
Yeah, some people will probably choose to be outside, so
Okay.
it's certainly up to them. These second Saturday swaps are also, to us, about building Fox community, not just about selling parts, but it's about bringing people together in a common space so they can meet up with their FoxBody friends and hang out and have a good time and talk to each other and bond over these cars that we all love in the same way.
Yeah. That's actually awesome, because I was just talking to somebody that's talking like a cars and coffee type thing, you know, and they were saying they didn't really feel welcome there. And I'm like, they're FoxBody people. I said, Charlotte has a great FoxBody community. So it's really awesome. It's very awesome you're putting this on for the Fox people every month.
I mean, we are really fortunate here in the Charlotte area that we have so many people that are so passionate in such a small area, and we all like to get together. And so this is like one more opportunity for that to happen.
Yeah, absolutely. The only problem with it, guys, is that on these swap days, I can't really work on my car as much. Maybe we'll figure that out, though. We've got some ideas for that.
Yeah, maybe we'll add that in.
Who knows? So stay tuned to the channel. All right, so let's go ahead and go inside here and see what they got going on as far as parts. Here we go. Look at this. Some nice 10 holes. Oh, Mr. Automotive, what's up? It's been a while. You make videos anymore?
I just uploaded one. I got another one coming.
All right, cool.
But I just got set up with a head and Coney shocks.
What?
They had old SVO parts that were in the scrap pile, and I'm like, dude, I'll take them.
Oh, all right. Okay, we want to see them all installed on the channel.
Yeah, right.
So,
Let's see.
in case you guys don't know, he does have a YouTube channel, Mr. Automotive. So he's grinding. Good to see you, Terry. I've actually got some parts for sale over here. Yeah, that's. I didn't bring them, but they just sit in the shop over there. You want to see an awesome set of turbines, Andrew? Yeah. These are my original turbine wheels off the GT.
Nice.
Yeah, you like those center caps? They're kind of...
They're them new?
Yeah.
Those are reproduction center caps?
Yeah. That's how we do it in North Carolina. This ain't Alabama, buddy.
Yeah.
It's a 10 holes. That used to be on the SSP.
Oh.
So I asked you about the Cobra R's. What do you think between these and the Cobra R's?
Cobra R's.
All right, all right.
It's not a bad looking wheel.
Yeah.
I just...
You know what helps is if you got good brakes.
So many cars. They look
Yeah,
good.
you need the big, nice looking brakes and calipers on those wheels, I think, because there's so much gap.
I agree.
This is all mine, man. It's my old deck lid. I don't know, what's a Typhoon intake, and well, that's the X pipe I just took off the SSP. So yeah, this BBK X pipe, we gotta have Foxcast sign it. Help me figure out how to get it to Fork Takeover. Guys, I should sell this on eBay. This was a Foxcast X pipe. This is on his red car. It was still a push rod.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, and then he moved it to the SSP, so you know that's got to be some money there.
Yeah, elite.
Especially if he signs it.
You could probably put it on eBay with his signature and get whatever you wanted to.
That's what I figured. So, Kayla, if you sign it, I'll give you half, man. All right, yeah, Terry got quite a haul here. A little rusty there, buddy.
Yeah.
But so it's sorry, a D-port head, you said.
Basically, it comes off of a newer SVO.
Okay.
So it's got bigger.
I know the 85.5 was the good one.
It's got the D ports in it.
Yeah.
Which are a little better. There's even better head than this, but this is good enough for now.
Yeah, and you've already got an intake to match it. And guys, he's got original Coney adjustable shocks. Cannot beat that.
This is a big deal because on my SVO, these aren't there.
Yeah, you don't have them anymore. So
And you can have these rebuilt. So let's look up to figure out how to get them rebuilt.
Awesome, man.
It's a good day.
Good haul for you, Seth. This is Grabber Coyote 2013, and he has a business doing detailing with all Croftgate stuff. He's kind of showing it to me here on his Grabber Blue Coyote Mustang. All right, so guys, I found one of my subscribers out here, and it's somebody, I've checked out his channel a lot. He went to Foxtoberfest, and what's really cool about it is he actually, he's just 13 and he loves Fox bodies. And you guys know on this channel, a lot of us guys are older and we're all into Foxes. So the young people are still getting into them, and that is Kevin Builds.
Hello, guys.
How you doing? Yeah, you're actually a Carolina fan too.
Got my Carolina girls.
Yep, and they're playing Duke today,
Yep. So we're hoping that the Carolina will win.
Absolutely.
And if they don't, you know, it's still, they probably did a good game. And
it always a good game, right?
It's always a good game in the end. You can't expect your favorite team to win all the time.
Yeah.
No, but I'm always here to support Carolina.
I love that, man. Well, you know, we've got actually, that guy over there is a Duke fan. See Harris Lou's red convertible? So we're going to have to give him some junk today.
Yeah.
Give him, we'll do a Tar Heel chant maybe on him.
No.
But you don't have a FoxBody yet?
No, not yet.
So what's your plan? You're just kind of filling me in. Let them know what your plan is to kind of get a Fox.
This summer, we're gonna start cutting grass so that I need their stuff moved. We're gonna charge the money that we're gonna do. We're gonna all save it up, and then maybe next year, or hoping at the end of this year, we're gonna put all the money together, see how much we have, and buy maybe a Mustang for maybe $3,000, $4,000.
Yeah.
Or
kind of like a project car,
right?
Yeah,
project car. Or even if we get a roller chassis, it's fine too, because then I can start building and getting the parts.
Yeah.
Because I mean, I have.
You got a lot of parts, right? Because I saw he has some good subscribers. I think the Zohan's one, and you got a lot of parts, right, from him.
Yeah, he gave me a transmission, a T5 transmission. I have GT40 heads, camshafts. I have a lot of parts, different things that if I just get the body with no transmission and motor, I could put my transmission in there and then get a motor to put inside of there.
Yeah.
So, and put all my parts in there.
That's awesome. Yeah, so he's really passionate. He loves Fox Bodies. Check his channel out. It is Kevin Builds. I'll put it all I'll put it on the screen right here, and then I'll put it all in the description down below.
Yeah, sounds good.
Yeah. So he's grinding really hard, guys, doing a lot of work. So, you know, give him a follow. And remember, he's just 13, he's just learning, so don't give him a hard time. He's out there, has a passion for Fox Bodies. All right. Awesome to meet you in person, Kevin. So we're out here, we're snowing, we're still enjoying this, and I've got Brent from Hicks House Videos with me.
What's up, guys?
Been on the channel before.
Yep.
And you brought out Cool Pre today.
With no heat.
No, and now it's snowing. Drive back. So you got a blanket, right?
I did.
Like, show us, show the blanket. All right. There we go.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And so this is the one that's getting new seat covers.
Yeah, well, it's going to get a whole interior, redone, but
Yeah.
not before pits now.
Yeah.
We
Not
tried to
before
hold
pits?
off.
Okay.
I
Are you
was
going to
gonna-
get heat before pits?
It's going to get heat before
I'm going to
pits.
stop snow from getting in his car, guys, but there's his blanket right there. So it will get heat, otherwise Monica won't ride it.
Yes.
If you're not checking Brent out already, definitely check his channel out. Hicks House Videos. He's going to Pony and the Smokies.
Yes, we'll be there.
I will probably not be there. So if you want, you know, somebody seeing good Fox Body videos of Ponies and Smokies, better check his channel out.
Yes, sir. We'll have it.
Awesome, cool. Well, good to see you out here today, and it's a lot of fun. I haven't been to this yet. Have you
This
been?
is my first time here.
Okay, yeah, I had a good turnout today.
I'm gonna bring some parts next time.
Yeah, sell some parts. Sure.
I bought stuff today.
Maybe some seats. Did you buy stuff?
I bought a clutch, and now I bought a new hood emblem for the Mad Maxine. So.
Oh, all right. Yes, we love Mad Maxine.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, cool. We're gonna be following the build, and like I said, he showed me. I already know, guys. I got to see it without Mike. I know what's going on. I love it. His Monica's gonna love it too. So
Yes.
it's, what do we call it? Retro? What do we go
It's
with?
gonna be like a retro facelift, what Monica called it. Retro facelift.
Retro facelift. All right, cool. There goes Brent. Everybody's leaving. Not Nardo.
Take it easy, cement with clear.
Cement with clear. That's the new thing, guys. All right, so if you haven't seen the other video with Harris, I think that went up already, but we still haven't figured out the bet on this whole Carolina Duke thing. So I think he's putting a Duke magnet on. I don't know.
Duke Magnet, we're gonna, make him put him a Christian Leitner sticker on it.
It's getting worse. You know, I'm just gonna say, accept the magnet.
The more time he gives me, the worse it's gonna get.
Your name is creative, right?
Yeah.
I should give you less time.
Yeah.
You give creatives more time, you're in trouble.
Yeah, put me on a time crunch, and I'll just come up with terrible.
Oh man. Oh, anyway, it's snowing out here now, guys. I can't believe it. So, luckily, what made this all a success was Andrew eating everything from Brutal Vlogs.
Yes.
And we're gonna put him to work today on something. I don't know what. Maybe you know, change the motor out of the SSP over there. You can do that. All right. So we'll have that done in 5 minutes. But I know you guys don't want to see that because it's boring. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Gearhead 704.